Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. And as you can see by this tape, we got another Boston Skelly unboxing. And we got a guest appearance by Ace here. He's my daughter's cat. And he's probably going to start stepping on keys here in a moment. But yeah, so this is it. This is the new rose. This makes the 13th rose. And I had to get it to add to my collection. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is the Blarney rose. Of course, the paperwork. Yep, the Blarney rose. I did get a medium-large cap, as it seems like those fit pretty well for me on the rose style caps. Let's go ahead and open up the pin here. Here is the pin here. It's a great-looking pin. Oh, it's good to give to the cap. Hey, you having fun there, bud? Here, why don't you go ahead and play with this box. There you go. Go play with the box. Yep. There you go. Get down and play with the box. All right. So this is the Blarney rose. If you are a Philadelphia Eagles fan, oh my gosh, Ace, would you be? Are you done? Are you done? No, you're not done yet. Okay. All right. So again, if you're an Eagles fan, these are match the Eagles colors for sure. Ace, dude, what are you doing here? Holy cow. Anyway, before I was rudely interrupted by that guy. He just finally got down, thank God. All right, so here is the Blarney rose. Go ahead and take the cardboard out. I'm going to take off my trucker. This thing has got some miles on it here. You can see all the little threads. I probably got this, there's probably about 800 miles walked in this thing. But still works out good for what I need it for. Blarney rose, logo on the inside. Gray leather brimmet. Let's go ahead and put the pin on. All right, so we got the pin on here now. Again, the Blarney rose. Let's go ahead and try it on. Another perfect fit. I definitely got some Dixon shirts to match to wear with this. All right, we're going to pause the video, show you a little bit more of a close-up on it, and then I'll be right back. All right, so here is a close-up of the Blarney rose. You see the detail on the pin. Nice looking colors. Again, Philadelphia Eagles colors for sure. Got a little bit of cardboard on there. Get them out there. Come on. There we go. Nice looking thing. Like I said, this is the 13th rose. The Blarney rose. Medium large. And there's that leather brimlet that I was talking about with the, I know it's faux leather, but looks good. Nice looking cap. Again, this is the 13th rose. So those who ever got all the collections like me, one day I'll do a video of all the roses once I know that they're going to give it a little break. But yeah, that's it. Now let's go ahead and go back to the review. All right, so here's the rest of the rose. Got it back on, show you the close-up. Again, let me know what you guys think about this. Again, this is the 13th rose. And this, I'll be honest with you, it's not my favorite rose. It's probably in the top 10 out of the 13. The ground, I mean, it looks okay. I mean, I'm a big fan of the rose line, but this is just, I said, it's in the top 10, but looks good. Let me know what you guys think of this. You guys have a wonderful day. Reviews of Moose here. Special guest of Ace. And